Assalamu alaikum, all GSM team. Today's subject, the new mobile Realme C71 RMX 5313 network unlock file. No online, just a remote service, 100% trusted. I am using your third party working remote service. This test next to your file is Google and YouTube show. Okay? This working this Morocco country. The language is Morocco country and remote service working and tested. Okay. Now see working time, the network unlock and work after work your see pixel off 100% tested. Now see download. Immune WhatsApp and Telegram joined. Part paid price $10. Next, Realme C71 RMX 5313 enemy data, no service, batsmen are none, 100% trusted. And file ready, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus X6856 plus after flashing date. Only MTK Prot show. They 100% trusted, the update firmware, they working. Perfect. Next, Infinix GT 35G X6876 plus file after flashing date. Only MTK Prot show. 100% trusted. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Infinix Hot 60 Pro X6885 plus file after flashing dead mode MTK Prot show. Okay, 100% tested. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Infinix 040 X6860 X6860 plus file after flashing date. Only MTK Prot version problem. Now see you update firmware download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Tecno KM7 plus file dead mode. Only MTK Prot show. 100% trusted. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, ZT Wallet A35E Z2466 piece file. Any tool use, 100% trusted. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next, Infinix X6857 plus file after flashing auto on off, 100% trusted. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Tecno KM7K plus file dead mode. Only MTK Prot show. 100% trusted. Now see you download, M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. All GSM friend, every day my new model file after post YouTube and Google right now. So check. At first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am ready only for you. We service any problem, file problem, any solution. Now ready, but paid, not free. Okay, just any file need. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link in browser open. The right now Borsha Mobile BOR. Okay, Borsha Mobile. Now I click now. Now is Borsha Mobile. Now is website. Now click now. Borsha Mobile click now. No problem. Just ready. You model C71 1 click. Wait. Okay. Now see this model. Okay, C71. Okay. Just one click. Magic system. Easy. Okay. Wait. Ready, unlock file. Now ready. Okay. The model, any file need emergency, imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. All GSM friend, I am ready only for you. WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Good night, all GSM friend.